Om Namaha Shivaya. It is an unbelievably miracle to eyes. Shivalingam with Nagadev, Lord Bhairava, conch collected from Indian Ocean. See, you can see a very clear Shivalingam with Nagadev, very clear Shivalingam Nagadev, and very clear Nandi here, very clear Nandi, and a very clear Ujjain Kalabhairava, very clear Ujjain Kalabhairava. Unbelievable collection from Indian Ocean. Om Namah Shivaya. This conch is collected from Indian Ocean. Very naturally, we can see very clear Shivalingam. See, very clear. So you can see bottom, only top, bottom, and you can see the Nagadev here, and very clear Nandi, very clear Nandi, totally unbelievable. And you can see very clear Ujjain Kalabhairava here. Two eyes, nose, mouth, Ujjain Kalabhairava here. Totally unbelievable conch collection from Indian Ocean.